Hi guys, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to show you how you can create your attractive Facebook page, right, in small period of time. Then you can get your maximum view and maximum friend, right? Because why actually site is required, guys? Maybe you know this one. Your Facebook page, actually your Facebook profile is only for limited for 5,000 friends, right? But suppose you want to build your personal website, same like website, some special profile, then you need page, guys. Suppose you want to come in media or something, you want to make your post popular, everything share worldwide, then you can should always create page. Suppose you have one page and there is 100 like or 1 million like, then whatever you share, it will directly goes to your 1 million viewers, right? They can view directly from this one over like this one, okay? And there should be admin. Yeah, always be careful to make your admin of your page, right? So let's start our page. So to create our page, this is my page. You can see my guys, I have created two pages here, right? Recently I created. Anyways guys, this always any person so always create their page because there is more facility than our simple Facebook page, right? This I create. So another I want to create another page, right? So click on, just go here. Here is one option, create page. So choose either option, brand, what is the brand here, right? So from here I am choosing here anything, fashion model or journalist, motivational speakers, right, or news personality, photographer, politician, anything, political candidate, public figure, you can choose, right? Then before I had it right in Hindi, the same topics name you can give here, right? So just type in Hindi now, or Hindi or English, whatever topics you want to give, or just no need Hindi, just type here. Samadhi cover site. This is I created before one blog. So for this blog I want to make this page, right? So I want to link this blog to my page. I think you already saw my this tutorial how to create blog within 10 minutes in blog or free blog, right? So I already created, and same blog I want to inbuilt here, right? So now public figure, so you can choose some magic cover site. Magic cover site, get started, okay? And guys, every detail I'll give you from here. Now you have to upload your page here, right? So how you upload your page here, then that also I'll teach you in excellent way. Suppose any page for your profile, it should be attractive, right? So you want to make your profile, I'll make profile from paint, I'll show you that also, okay? Or either your photo you cannot upload here, it should be social photo, right? So just village photo. So we village photo, right? Just search here, it will show you like this all page, but it should be always keep in mind that it should be creative, it should be copy protected, free to share, right? So always search from here, and this image you can share, edit, everything you can do, right? There is no any complaint, there will not held any complaint. Just select this one image, this is little good, right? For Samaji cover, right? This one you can choose either one. No problem guys, this one you can choose save image. just give name Samajik, right? Okay, it is saved. So now open it with this pen. Samajik, open with this one paint. I'll show you how you can create excellent photo image with including this image. You can include your text, right? Just go to paint. It is now already opened with paint, right? So just make it little small, right? Sorry. From top I want to make it little small, guys. Sorry, it is not being like this anyway. Okay, alright. So no worry guys, just you can do like this, copy this one, control N for new page, don't save, then make a small viewer, then paste here, right? Alright, then just minimize this one. This your page should be little bigger also, so check properties. Oh, this is very big page, guys, very big. Okay, so you think 700 by 350 is enough, guys. So now it is very small, make it little big, right? Now it is some page is cutting, so some is being small, right? Some page is hidden here. Why? Because this is very big, this image is with high resolution. So see another image with small resolution, right? Small resolution, just copy this one from directly from here. Let's see, save as image, these two. Okay guys, after I complete this one, I make my profile, then I'll come back to you. Okay guys, now I make my image and I put here text, right? So you can see a resolution. What is the resolution of this one? 700 with 350 pixel, right? Okay, so I already saved it with some pro in desktop, right? Yes. Okay, now go to your profile Facebook page, then upload image. So sort the resolution file, some pro, right? It will upload. Okay, cover photo same, you can give, no problem, guys. Some pro, just this is the some pro. Okay, yes guys, now our okay, now our page is ready, right? So the cover site, but our text is little high, so it should be little down. No problem, guys, I can edit within a minute, right? This one not big text. Just go here, right? This one copy, paste. You can put here downside, right? Again, save as save. So you can change your this image, right? From change cover image, upload photo video, so some pro, you can choose this one, it will upload, right? Now it is coming like excellent now, right? Save. So your Facebook profile is ready, guys. So you can share everything from here. It is easy way, so you can post here whatever, same like a Facebook way. You can post either thing you can like, right? You can get from media and just post here, or your personal thing you can post here and just share this your page, so maximum people view this one, so your view is increased. For your page, guys, you need to get always more view, right? So more view in your page, the more audience you have, right? So share this page. Okay, alright, same way you can share. Okay guys, thank you for seeing this video. Now I have 3 pages. This one recently I created, right? This is my page, guys. Okay guys, thank you for seeing this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment to see my such interesting video in future. Thank you guys.